Okay, welcome back. What I want to continue with is City&Guilds 2357 and the 5357. And again, here, as previously shown you, what we're looking at. Sorry about this. Should we get an interview? Okay, is City&Guilds 2357, 5357. Now, this became this number, okay? Now it is only the number that may have changed, but the knowledge and the information that you need remains the same. So please keep that in mind. And here we're looking at level 3, unit 308. Now again, these units may have changed. We may simply have been unit 30 possibly, or whatever. But the knowledge and the technical data and information is still the same. Now, make sure you're compliant with the IEE regulations at all times to make sure that you're up to the current standards. Okay? And what we're going to look at is Section 2, reporting and recording for diagnosis. Now, this will become part of your job, so you're becoming partly your own secretary, if you wish. Okay? And this information is relevant. You must complete these data and the information and the worksheets, and these are copies given to your client and quite possibly copies given to your supervisor or the overall manager of the project or site, whichever is the appropriate terminology in your case. Now again, don't need to spend a lot of time here with these, because this you have seen already. Okay, the process is still the same, but it's important that we identify the stages in each case, and that I take the time to make sure you understand what we're looking at. I'll come to understand how to complete the reporting and recording of electrical fault diagnosis and correction work assessment of safe working practices. The learner will have the opportunity to state the procedures for reporting and recording information, etc. State the procedures for informing relevant persons about information on electrical fault diagnosis, etc., etc. Explain why it is important to provide relevant persons with information, etc., etc., etc. Okay, just to make sure we can get it full on screen. Okay. And here we have session 2, and again, you can read it for yourselves. Okay. And I'm hoping that color comes out okay. And in this case, let me see. Let's go down and make sure we can pick it up in full. But we're not. Anyway, disadvantaging anybody. Okay. Okay. Put it back now. Okay. Good. Thank you. Again, here reporting and recording information on fault diagnosis. Okay. Let's just make sure you can see this for yourself in full. Okay. And let's make sure we get it from a different angle. Okay. Okay. That's for you to read yourself. So I'm just going to lay out the information for you overall. Okay, now I don't know how the yellow is going to come out on screen. It may give me a problem, but I'm hoping it doesn't. It's just some. Can I make this? Bear with me for a second. Let me see if I can change the color on this. Bear with me for a second. Can I change the color? 1 second. Let me see if I can highlight anything here and make this color different, so it can stand out. Color. Let's make that a little bit darker because I'm not happy with the color as it is at the moment. This we can make it a dark teal. Okay, that's better. Okay, that's better. Okay, excellent. Okay. Now I don't know why we have outcome today, but in session 2 basically outcome 2. Okay, but it's not going away. It will in a moment. Okay, right, thank you. Okay. Giving information, giving inaccurate information could be dangerous, and if this leads to injury, fire, or even death, you would be liable. Okay, bear that in mind. You are now held responsible for your actions or inactions, whichever the case may be. You are the engineer. Make sure you're compliant with all current regulations at all times. It is your job. Get it done. And again here, for again your information, you're level 3. I don't need to be holding this to you or reading this out to you in any shape or form. It's something you can do for yourselves. And here we're talking about effective communication with others. It is relevant and paramount that we have effective communication at all times. Okay. Here we have a quick reminder of safe isolation. You can read it for yourself. I will not read it out to you. This is for you to be able to do at all times, and you need to make sure that you have complied with all the relevant statutory requirements at all times. Okay. And here we are again. Logical approach to fault finding. Okay. It just simply lays out some steps you should comply with and follow. And for correction, okay. Functional testing, okay, the fault. Okay, restoration. Now here we're just telling you what the site should be restored as it was when you found it, and should be put back as near as possible to the same. Okay. Right, thank you for that. I hope you found this useful again, and bye for now. Okay, thank you. Bye.